Welcome back. In this lesson, we'll learn about arithmetic operators in Python. The arithmetic operators are used to perform arithmetic operations. We have 7 different arithmetic operators: addition, difference, multiplication, division, floor division, modular division, and exponent. I'll create 2 variables and then show you each and every operation one after the other. I'll say x is equal to 30 and y is equal to 7. So 2 variables I've created and then assign the values for that. Now let me say answer is equal to x plus y and I'll print variable answer. I'll run. The output is 37. So 30 plus 7, I'm getting the output as 37. So if I want to do the difference, I'll give the minus symbol. So x minus y. I'll run. So the output is 23. Next, let me do the multiplication. For multiplication, we'll be using the asterisk symbol. So that's the star. So we'll be using the asterisk symbol for multiplication. I'll run. 30 multiplied by 7 is 210. So the output is 210. Next, let me do the division. I'll run. I'm getting the output as 4.28571 and so on. So this is the output. So always remember, whenever we are going to do the division, the output will be in float. Even though if it's going to be a perfect division, the output will be in float. Here, it's not a perfect division, but let's say, I will say x divided by 10. So that's nothing but I'm dividing 30 divided by 10 I'm doing. Now, when I run, I'm getting the answer as 3.0. So what it specifies is that always the output of a division will be in float. One of the important things which you need to remember. So whenever we do conventional division, we get quotient and remainder. The floor division and modular division operator are used to get the quotient and remainder. Floor division is used to get the quotient. Modular division is used to get the remainder of the division. Let me say x double slash y. Here I am doing the floor division. I'll run. The answer is 4. That means 30 divided by 7. So 4 times it will go 28 and the remainder will be 2. By doing the floor division, I have got the quotient as 4. Similarly, if I want to get the remainder, I'll say the modulo operator. That's nothing but the percentage symbol is called as the modulo operator. I'll say x modulo y. I'll run. I'm getting the remainder as 2. So 30 minus 28. So the remainder will be 2. So this is the output. So these 2 operators are very important and it's used in many problem solving questions. The floor division and modulo division operator. Next is, we'll see the exponent operator. If I want to find out the cube of y, I'll say y double asterisk symbol 3 I will give. When I execute, I'm getting the output as 343. That is 7 cube is 343. So single asterisk symbol is used as a multiplication operator, whereas the double asterisk symbol is used as the exponent operator or nothing but powers. So these are the 7 different arithmetic operators we have in Python programming. Let's consider now if we are given an expression and we need to solve that particular expression. Let's take this as the expression. So x plus y multiplied by 5 minus y power 2. Here there are multiple operators. We can say addition is there, difference is there, exponent, multiplication. Like these multiple operators are there. So for this, we have an operator precedence rule. This is the operator precedence rule. You can see first is brackets of, and then the exponent is given the first higher priority, then multiplication, division, floor division, modular division, addition, and then difference. So this is the operator precedence rule. So whichever is on the left hand side, it has the highest priority, and whichever operator is in the right hand side, it has the least priority. Here, let's try to solve this question. Now, here we have the y power 2. That means 7 power 2. So we need to first try to solve this one. So the first step will be, so x plus y multiplied by 5 minus 49. This will be the first step. So the next step is, after we have done the exponent, the next priority goes for multiplication. So we have multiplication over here, that's nothing but y multiplied by 5. I'll say x plus 35 minus 49. So this will be the second step. Now, let's come to the third step. We have addition and subtraction. So addition has the highest priority. So x value is nothing but 30 plus 35. It will be 65 minus 49. So this will be the last step. The answer will be 16. Let's try to check. I'll print the answer of the expression. When I execute, I'm getting the answer of the expression as 16. So this is how we will solve an expression when multiple operators are involved. Practice question. Create two variables a and b. Assign a as an integer value, b as a floating point number. Perform the following operation. So you need to perform each and every operation and then print the result. Solution. So we'll first create two variables a and b. I'll say a is equal to 45 and b is equal to 20. So the first question is, I need to multiply a by b. I'll just say print a multiplied by b and then print the result. So the answer is 900. 45 times 20 is 900. The second question is, find the remainder of the division b by a. So we need to find the remainder of the division. I'll say print b modulo a, I'll give, and I will run it. I'm getting the output as 20 because the denominator is larger than the numerator. The third question is, find the cube value of a. I'll say a double asterisk symbol 3. So I'm using the exponent operator over here. So 45 cube is 91,125. So this is the answer. The fourth question is, I need to divide a by b. So a divided by b, I'll do it and I'll run. The answer is 2.25 is the output. So the last question is, I need to calculate the expression and then print the value. So I'll just copy this and then I'll say expression is equal to, I'll paste it. So we have the expression. Now I'll print the expression. So I'll calculate and then print the expression. I'll run. The answer is 2054.0 is the answer. So why we are getting in a decimal point is because division is involved, right? So that's why the output is in float. So this is the solution to this question.